Hey guys, it's Tessa. I hope you're doing really good today. I got crazy hair. So I just got back from the post office and I've posted all my orders for my online shop. So if you guys made an order this week or last week, it's all posted and you should be getting your items very soon. But I wanted to touch on a subject and I don't know whether you guys can help me with this. But we're planning to go to the Netherlands for a few days and we were thinking to save money we should drive there. So to drive from England to the Netherlands in Holland and possibly stay in the car or get a hostel when we are over there. But do you guys have any experience or tips? So if you guys have any advice on driving from England to the Netherlands or the Netherlands to England, then let me know. And I'll greatly appreciate it because we want to try and do this in September. But I'm just trying to organise and arrange everything beforehand so we know what we're going to do and get all the information all done before we leave. I was also thinking about documenting the whole journey, so making a vlog video about driving from England to the Netherlands within 24 hours, and I think it would be a really interesting vlog video for you guys to watch. And also if you are keen on traveling but you don't know what sort of things you have to do it. But I think it would just be a really interesting process from seeing us leave the house and then get on the road, being on the road and then having to get the boat and then arriving in a foreign country all from our car. I think it would just be really interesting, and to document that whole process it will be hopefully helpful for other people as well. So I just wanted to ask you guys if you had any tips or tricks, any advice, if you've done it before. If you have done it before, is there anything that you would change and do differently? Would you recommend anyone to do it? All those sorts of questions. So I'm really interested to see what you guys have to say about that, and I'm really kind of excited to do it, and I'm probably most likely gonna do it. But I wanted to kind of run it by you guys first and let you know, is it something that you would be interested in seeing on this channel? So traveling one country to the other but from the car, it's just sounds completely doable, but at the same time it also sounds quite difficult. So yeah, let me know what you think of this idea. Most likely end up doing it, and you guys will probably end up seeing the travel video on my channel in September. But before this video does go down, I also have a load of hair videos coming up as well. I do want to try and do a crochet tutorial. I just wanted to kind of run this by you guys first, and also let you know that if you haven't seen any of my previous videos yet, I do have quite a few hair tutorials on my channel. So I have all the dreadlock tutorials, I've got some video playlists of how to make the dreadlocks and install the dreadlocks. I recently uploaded the video of me cutting my bangs and dyeing them yellow, so that's all up on my channel as well. Today it was just so hot, so I just kind of brushed it all to a side, because when I have them down like normal bangs like this, whew, it just gets so sweaty. So also I have a very amazing tutorial coming up, and I know you guys are really excited to see it as well. So this is a crocheted crop top that I made from a ball of wool and a crochet needle, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. So I'm actually figuring out how I'm going to film this for a DIY tutorial, so you guys get the chance to make one of these as well. It did take me about 4 hours to make, so I'm trying to figure out step by step how I can explain it to you and put it all in a video so it's not like too long. Yeah, I have so many amazing things coming up and I'm so excited to show them all to you. So yeah, this is just kind of like a quick update video letting you know about my ideas that I have. I do have a lot more ideas that I want to try and share with you, but until then it's just going to have to be a little secret until we actually do that. What was that? I don't know, was that a wink? But yeah, I also bleached my roots and recorded it for you guys, so I just have to edit the footage and then that will be up on my channel really soon as well. I managed to get my hair a really nice bleached blonde and I didn't even have to tone it, so I'm really chuffed about that. If you saw on my Instagram story, I was actually really chuffed. I was putting off bleaching my roots for quite a while, but now I've done it. Oh yeah, loving it. I want to show you this little pussycat. Look, Sushi has been such a good girl lately. Look at this beautiful little monkey. Yeah, you are a monkey. Love you. So yeah, I'm actually in a really good mood today. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to leave a comment, give it a thumbs up, go subscribe for more, and I will see you lovies very soon. Bye guys. But before